So students, let's see the rules of infinitive. Okay, infinitive is used as a base of verb, means it in a sentence it will be used like a verb only. Okay, and it has two types, as I've already told you: bare infinitive and to infinitive. Okay, in bare infinitive we use first form, only first form. So let's see where first form is used or where bare infinitive is used. Okay, with modals we always use first form of verb. For example, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, must, might, these all are modals. With this first form will be used. For example, you may go now. May is a modal, so what we are using with may? Go. So go is the first form, so it's bare infinitive. Okay, with the verbs make, let, see and hear, these verbs you have to learn or keep in mind properly. Okay, with the verb or different forms of verb make, let, see and hear, we always use first form. For example, the teacher made me stand. Okay, made is second form of make. Okay, so with the form of make we are using stand, so stand is bare infinitive. Okay, let me go now, so with let we are using go, which is also a first form. I heard her play the piano, with the verb second form of verb of hear. Okay, what we are using? First form play. Clear? So with these types of verbs we always used first forms. Okay, with do, does and did also first form is used. For example, she doesn't like coffee, I didn't go there, I didn't perform well. So with these helping verbs do, does and did, we always use first form, bare infinitive. Okay, with but and then also bare infinitive is used. For example, he said nothing but laugh. What is given here? But, so we're using here laugh. I would rather die than beg. What is given here? Than. So what we are using with then? Beg. Both are first forms, both are bare infinitives. So these rules you have to learn properly. With the modals, with the verbs make, let, see and hear, with do, does, did, and with but and then, we always use bare infinitive. Okay, so let's see where we use to infinitive, means to plus first form. To infinitive is also is used sometimes as a subject or object. Okay, sometimes it will be used like a subject in the sentence. For example, to read is a good habit, and it can also be used as an object. For example, I like to read, but mostly it's used as an object. It's better to use it as an object. For example, I like to read, here it is used as an object and here it is used as a subject. Don't forget, to infinitive is mostly used as an object. Okay, there are some verbs also with which we always use to plus first form. For example, like, dislike, want, decide. Okay, what we like or what we don't like, what we want to do, what we don't want to do, with the verbs decide we always use to plus first form. For example, I like to read book. Okay, with the like, what we are using? To plus first form, to read. I want to learn French. Okay, so with the verb want, what we are using? To learn. There are some more verbs like advise, allow, request, order, ask, and promise. With these verbs or with the different forms of these verbs, we always use to plus first form. Let's see some examples. She advised me not to eat junk food. See what is given here? Advised, which is second form advice only. Okay, so with advise or advised, what we are using here? To eat. Okay, which is to plus first form. I requested her. I requested her to bring a glass of water. So with the verb requested, what we are using? To bring. So with these types of verbs, always to plus first form is used. With would like, would prefer, would love, we always used to plus first form. For example, I would like to have tea. Okay, I would prefer to go there. So with these also to plus first form is used. To tell any reason also, to plus first form is used. Don't forget. For example, I went to market to buy fruits. See, I went to market. Now, why I went to market? What is the reason? The reason is to buy fruits. To tell the reason or purpose of any work also, we use to plus first form. Okay. To plus first form is also used with T double O two. So it can be followed after, it can be followed by too, TOO2. For example, she is too weak to walk. Means she is so weak that she can't walk. We can write it in a different form, like she is too weak to walk. So too can be followed by TOO2 also. Okay. So these are the rules where we always use to infinitive, means to plus first form. In next video, we'll talk about gerund and participles. Okay.